Hi everyone! It's your turn to give reading these words a try. I know you can do it. Here are the Reading Workshop sight words for List A. Make sure to come back each day to practice. Read the words aloud as they appear on the screen. Ready, set, go! You did it! Be sure to keep practicing each day to become a fluent reader. Also, don't forget to check out my Let's Read Together video and my sight word challenge for List A. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more like it. See you next time!